if you're an independent real estate agent, a real estate company, or a real estate professional, and you're looking forward to creating a real estate WordPress, so here are some of the best themes that you can use to achieve a professionally designed real estate WordPress site. So either you want to use it for yourself, you want to use it for your organization, or you want to create a real estate website that allows you to either list properties that you own, or you have rights to renting out or to selling, or maybe you just want to create a property listing website that other people can come on your website, create an account and post property. You understand? And once they post this property, you can either allow them to post it for free or for a fee, or sign up for a membership to be able to post properties on your website. You see, all of these features will be possible using the right theme, and those are the themes I'm going to be sharing with you in the course of this video. Right, so all the things I'm going to be sharing with you, I'll leave a link to them in the description of the video, so that whichever one you want to go with, you can easily use the link in the description to just land on the page. All right, so before we get started with exploring some of these themes, if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe, so go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. If you are still here to subscribe, please go ahead right now, click on that subscribe button. So thank you very much if you have just done that. So now let's head over to the video and look at the 10 best real estate WordPress themes. So number one on our list is called Houses. So you can see this is a real estate WordPress theme. All right, so right now you can see this theme has over 50,000 sales as at the time of making this video. So this theme works with Elementor Page Builder. This happens to be one of the most common page builder for WordPress sites. Okay, so you can see it here, Houses, number one best-selling real estate WordPress theme for agents, company, and real estate professionals. Okay, so this theme, the price in terms of prices, where the prices are, that's $79. So whichever theme you want to pick, like I said, I'll leave a link to it in the description. So once you land on the page, you see this option to add to cart. So just go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be able to purchase the theme. If you don't have an account, you'll be asked to create an account. Then you have to check out to have access to download the theme and other files that you are going to upload into your WordPress site. Okay, so another thing I think I didn't mention is that all of these themes comes with awesome demos. So they come with demo that makes it easy for you to create your website. So what those demo actually means is they are ready-made websites, okay, that has been created based on the kind of website that you want, or maybe based on the kind of design that you want. So you can just pick any of them, import it into your website, and you have a complete website ready within 5 minutes or less. Okay, all right, so now let's go ahead and explore this particular theme. So you can see its name is called Houses. So if I click on live preview to take me to this page, so this is where we can see the demos that I've made mention of. So you can see these are ready-made designs available courtesy of this particular theme. So if anyone interests you, these are the demos that is available to you when you purchase this theme. All right, so it has almost 40 demos. So the demo works for all kind of property. You can see this is a demo for single agents. Okay, maybe you want to show your face or your details so that your client or your customer can have more trust. Okay, so you can also do that. If you want to have a demo that shows only one property, maybe you have only one property that you want to showcase on your website, there's a demo for that. So if you scroll down, you see that there are different demos depending on what you want to achieve. All right, so if you scroll down this page, you'll see all of this demo and other features for this particular website. You can see, right? So these are talking about some of the features that this theme actually offers. So fully responsive and mobile friendly. So all the themes I'm going to be sharing with you, they are responsive and mobile friendly. That means they show well on your device. So either you are accessing the website from your mobile device or from your desktop, it appears very well. All right, so these are some plugins, okay, that works well with this particular theme. So you can see them here. All right, so that is it on the first one. So if you want to see more features, once you come on this page, you can see features, and then you can also showcase and then check out what other pages looks like. All right, so that is it on the first one that we are going to be looking at that comes out recommendable. It's called Houses. All right, so the next thing that we are going to be looking at is called Residence. Okay, so Residence Real Estate WordPress theme. So here's another great theme. You can see it's currently one of the trending theme right now. All right, so this comes with 46 ready to use demos, so you can see it. So 12 plus property page templates. Okay, so that's talking about the different template or different ways that your property can appear. So you have like 12 that you can actually pick from if you don't want to create yours from scratch. Okay, all right, so you can see, and it also comes with a step-by-step video tutorial. So if you pick this theme now, if there's any part of you using this thing that you don't understand, there is a video tutorial that they provided for you to be able to navigate how to use all the features of this particular theme. So if I should click on live preview to check out some of the features of this theme, okay, so you can see it here. These are the demos, okay, so you can sort it out based on single agents, okay, vertical menu demos, okay, you can see it here, MLX and IDX, okay, and then translated demos. All right, so you can see. Then if you want to see everything, just click on all demos, and then all the demos that this theme offers, you're going to see them. So you can see what is available to you when you purchase this particular demo. All right, so about 48 of them. It also supports RTL. You can see this is written in, I think this is Arabic, okay. All right, so easy to use with powerful features. So here is a summary of some of the features of this particular theme. Design custom property, cards and page, drag and drop Elementor widget, advanced search form builder. Okay, so payment via WooCommerce, Stripe or PayPal. So you want to receive payments on your website, you can have that feature. Maybe you want them to be able to view a property and then make payments directly on the website. Okay, you can actually have that. Okay, so these are more property page design. So this is showing you the different way that you can have your property appear. So property list pages, so this is one of them, okay. So different styles that you can just check out, right? So you can see this is MLS ready. And those, okay, so favorite properties, safe search. So these are some other features that this particular theme offers. So agent, agency, and developer mode. So this is showing you the backend of the agency websites, okay. All right, so compatibility with all of these plugins and even more, okay. All right, so that is it on this particular one. It's called Residence, okay. So this is the second theme that I'm recommending if you are into real estate. So next on our list right now is called Beyot, all right. So for this Beyot, this is one of the things that allows you to create a website that people can come and create an account and list their properties, okay. So you can use it to create a property listing website where other people can come here, create an account, list their own properties, and you can charge them for a fee or maybe allow them to list their property for free. All right, so it all depends on you. Okay, so for this now, this costs about $60. So let's go ahead and explore this thing. So this is one of the demo. All right, so you can just purchase this theme, and then if you like this demo that you're seeing here, you can just go ahead and import it. All right, so what you just need to do is probably update the properties to your own property. Okay, so you can see if you don't want this section, for example, you can easily take it out. So this is not the only demo available. So if you click on demo here, so you see that there are other demo on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are about 11 or 12 different demo that you can actually pick from. But this is just letting you to see what it looks like. Now, if you look at this demo now, it's a combination of white, orange, and then maybe dark or black. So if this is not your color, you can just go ahead and change it within the customize option of this particular thing. Okay, so you don't need to do it manually one after the other. You just need to do it once, and then the color will just change across the entire website. So that's how flexible WordPress and then this particular theme is. Okay, so that is it for Beyot theme. If you want to use it to create your own website, or you want other people, or a listing website where others can come and list their own property, you can actually achieve that using this. So, and it works with Elementor Page Builder. So you can see it. These are the inner pages. What the inner pages looks like. All right, so that's it on Beyot. So let's move over to the next theme. All right, so the next theme is called My Home. All right, so guys, if you are finding value in this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Okay, do make sure you subscribe. All right, and let me know in the comment section what kind of real estate website are you looking forward to create. Is it a personal real estate? Is it for a company? Okay, is it a property listing website? So let me know all of this in the comment section below. All right, so this is another one so here's another one. All right, so for this now, you can see over 7,000 sales, and this is coming for less. This is about $29. All right, this works with Elementor Page Builder, so you can see it here, and it is IDX MLS compatibility. Okay, so that means compatible with some of those. So now let's look at some of the features for this particular theme. Okay, so here are what the inner pages looks like for this particular theme, the demo pages. Okay, so you can see what it actually looks like. So all of them comes with great features. Okay, all of these things comes with great features that will make your real estate website looks very professional. All right, so establish field connection for more intuitive structure. All right, so boost search accuracy with popular keyword suggestion. Okay, so there's a search option here to just show up some keyword based on what they're typing. All right, so that's another one that I'm recommending. It's called My Home. You can also check this out. So next to My Home, we also have RH. So RH, that's Real Home, is another real estate property theme that allows you to create people to come on your website, create an account, and list their own property. Okay, so you can see it here. It's a real estate solution designed for independent real estate agent and agency looking to build their dream website, people looking for a real estate booking solution like vacation rental. So if you want to have a vacation rental or a property rental website, okay, you can make use of this theme. Professional real estate developer to market and sell their project, people looking for a solution to build real estate websites where sellers can publish their listings. So that's what I was saying earlier. If you want people to be able to come on your website, create an account and sell their own property, okay, you can actually achieve that using this particular theme. Okay, we can see it has over 30,000 downloads so far with 4.75 rating, which is very great. So for just $79, once you purchase this theme, you'll have access to all of these features. Okay, so if you come over here, you want to see some of the demos. You can see some. The selling point for all of this theme is actually the demos. For me, it's either you are picking the theme based on the demo, based on the price, okay, or maybe based on the design, right? So if you look at these demos now, they are looking very great, looking very clean. Now look at this is for Fusion, this is for vacation rental, this is a demo for vacation rental. This is a demo for agency, for hotel. Okay, so another demo for vacation rental. Okay, and if you're an agent, okay, maybe just a single agent, you can also make use of this demo where you're going to have your picture here, a little, maybe your name. Okay, so this just helps to build trust. Okay, if you are a single agent, right? So these are other demos. So they also have demos in other languages, Spanish, in Arabic, okay, and the likes. So in addition to all of the demos, you can see they have different header that you can choose from, different header styles. So you can see it here. They also have different footer styles that you can pick. So just to make sure that if at all every other person is using this theme, there's a little difference between your website and your own website. So you can choose from different of header and footer style. You can see different search form. All right, so there are different ways that people can search for properties on your website. So these are the different ways. You can see they give different provisions for different kind of designs. Talking about the inner pages, you can see what the inner pages looks like. Okay, so all of these and more are what is available to you with this theme called Real Home. So do make sure you check it out. All the links will be in the description of this video. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discount, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. Guys, welcome back. I hope you're finding value in this video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? Click on that like button. So next to this is called Spacious. Now this is a real estate and construction group WordPress theme. So if you're into construction, if you're into building of properties or real estate, okay, and you want to create a website, this theme is for you. All right. So let me show you what the live preview looks like. So you can see here is one of the demo. So it has, you can see it has different demo. It's currently have about let's see again, about 8 demos. Okay, so the first one is what we are seeing right here. If you want to see what the other pages looks like, so once you're on this page and you over pages about values and what are seen, so you see what all these pages look like. These are created templates, okay, that you can just go ahead and make use of. And if there's any one of them that you don't want to use, you can just go to the back end and just unpublish them. All right, so you can just save them to drafts. All right, so you want to see the services, there are different styles, projects, different styles, news, contacts. Okay, all right, so this is one of the demo. This is what it's looking like. So like I said, this is for a real estate construction company. Okay, you can see it here, or maybe you are just into construction of real estate properties and then you want to showcase some of your works. So this is a demo for you. So you can see it here, well designed with all of these great effects. All right, so if you want to see what other demo page looks like, just come over here and then you can see it here. Check out all the other pages too. All right, so that is the Spacious. Okay, I think I called it Spacious earlier. It's called Spacious. All right, so I can see this is just for $49. All right, so next on our list is called home listing. So real estate WordPress theme plus RTL. So just from the name, you know that this is for property listing. So here's another option for you if you are looking forward to create a property listing website. All right, so let's check out some of the live preview so we can see some of the features of this particular theme. So talking about demos, so these are the demos that's available to you. You want to, I think this has about 8, I think, yeah, 8 demos, all right, that you can choose from. So this particular theme works with Elementor Page Builder, and then it comes with some of this plugin and at no extra cost to you. So classified listing store and membership pro add-on, classified listing pro WordPress plugin. All right, so these are some of the extra features you're going to be getting at no extra cost to you. Okay, all right, so home listing have some exciting features. So these are some of mortgage calculator, convenient nearby places, okay, 360 virtual tour, compare with listings, advanced search form, floor plan guide, agent and agency, Google Map, points of interest. So these are some other features that you get with this particular theme. So amazing grid and list layout style. So you can see there are different styles that you can actually showcase or list your properties. All right. So these are some other features that you can get. One-click installation. So that means to import the demo is just within few clicks. You'll be able to import the demo website. All right. So unlimited custom field, unlimited amenities. These are some plugins that it works with, that letting you to know that it's compatible with different browsers. Okay, and SEO optimized. All right. So these are the pre-made pages. What the pages looks like. All right. So that is it on home listing. Another theme that comes highly recommendable if you are looking forward to create a property listing website. And this property listing website, you can create it for yourself, and you can also customize it to make other people to come and list their own property on your own website. So it all depends on you. Next, we have Nexty. So this is a real estate and single property theme, right? So let's go ahead and check out this theme. So you can see from the little text you can see here, you can see that it says Nexty is a WordPress theme for single property presentation, real estate agency, realtor, and for real estate company and their development project. But works great also for rental and renting properties as well. All right, so you can also use this for your rental. You can use it for your own personal website if you are into real estate construction and you are into real estate business. So now let's take a look at the live preview and check out some of the features of this theme. So you can see now it has good documentation. So if you want to check out some of the documentation, you can do that. So they also offer 24/7 support. All right. So here are some of the demos. Okay. So all these demos that we are looking at, some of them I didn't really take out time to look at all the pages so that the video will not be too long. But you can just take your time. Once you're on the page, just click on any of the demo to allow you to see what all the pages looks like. Okay. So these are all the demo available. We have smart one page, fancy one page. Okay. So you can see it here. And it also supports RTL. So that means if you want to create your website in languages that are written from right to left, like maybe Hebrew or Arabic, okay, or maybe just the same English, but you want to give it that right to left alignment, you can also achieve that. So here are some plugins that is available to you: Contact from 7, WPL, Total Catch, WooCommerce used, RTL and LTL. Okay, so guys, so that is it on this particular one. So do make sure you also check this particular theme out. It's called Nexty. So this is, I think this is the number 7 theme that we are going to be looking at. All right, so the 8th one is WP rental. So from the name now, you should know that this is for a property rental. So you can see it here. You can see list, find and book accommodation and objects, set constant prices per period, set discount price for longer period, manage calendar, multi-currency widgets, okay, and iCal field import and many more. So if you are looking forward to creating a rental website for property, so this is the theme that I'll say you should go for. You can see almost 15,000 sales at the time of making this video. So maybe you want to create a website like Airbnb. All right, so you can see this WP rental comes highly recommended. So if you look at, so let's take a look at some of the demos that you can just use straight away. So if you are here, then just click on demos. So you can see 22 pre-made demo websites. All right. So you can see, from judging from this, I can see modern condo with lake view. Okay. So these are the demos that you can make use of if you are looking forward to create a property rental website. So just make sure you take your time to look at some of these demos and see the one that best fits what you tend to achieve. Then you can go ahead and just go ahead and purchase the theme. So this is letting you know that this particular theme has video documentation showing you how to use different features for this particular theme. So instant booking, custom booking form, instant booking, booking per hour. That's talking about the features, custom prices per period. Okay, maybe you want to charge more for weekend or for maybe during holidays. Okay, booking without guests. Okay, so here are some of the features of this particular theme. Early bird discounts, you can create early bird discounts, minimum number of nights. Okay, cleaning fee, if you want to add cleaning fee, you can do that within the theme. Pay by number of guests, maybe you want to charge them based on the number of guests that will be using the particular property. Okay, if you want to make them to make security deposits. Okay, so all of these are the features that you can actually achieve using this particular theme as long as real estate or property rental is concerned, okay, or property booking rather. All right, so that is it on WP rental. So if you are looking forward to property renting, okay, then do make sure you check out WP rentals. So next to WP rentals, the last one on our list is called My Listings. Okay, so for this now, this is the last one I'm recommending when it comes to property listing. So if you want to look at listing, okay, actually this particular theme works with real estate for cars, you know, listing and directory generally. Okay, so you can also check this out. This is another great option, and you can see it's currently one of the trending theme right now for anything that has to do with listing. Okay, so if you want to do property listing, do make sure you also check out My Listing. It comes highly recommendable, over 20,000 sales, currently trending, okay, and then for $69. So now let's check out the live preview. All right, so this also comes with demo. Like I said, all the things I'm recommending comes with demo. At least that will make your WordPress site creation much more easier. So this is a demo for property. Okay, so this is a demo for car, this is a demo for every other thing. But since properties are core interest, so you can see this is a demo, you can just go ahead and check it out. All right, so there are different listing style. You can see unlimited listing style, types. So, and it's also Elementor page builder, stunning explore pages, single listing page, okay, user review, user dashboard. So to let you, so you can just from the dashboard check out some of the progress and the analytics, okay, and then you can also earn from it, okay, maybe through paid listing or promoted listing. All right, you want people to be able to message you from the listings, so those features are available with this theme. So right here is a list of all the features, okay, for this particular theme. So you can also check this out if you are looking forward to create a listing website. So guys, so far we looked at 10. Let's just go through them again. So number one, we look at houses. We look at residence. Then after that, we look at periods. I mentioned that this is, if you want to look for create a website, allow people to create an account on your website and list their own property. Period comes highly recommendable. After that, we look at my home. We look at RH. And another thing that allows you to create a website where other people can also list their property for sale. Okay, we also look at specials. Specials, that's for a real estate construction company. Okay, and then we looked at home listing, nesty. We looked at WP rental. So I mentioned if you want to create a website like maybe Airbnb or maybe a shortlet rental service and the likes, this is a theme for you. And then finally, we looked at my listing. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about all of these themes in the comment section. Which of these themes do you think will definitely work for you? Let me know in the comment section below, and the kind of websites, the real estate websites you tend to create. Also, do make sure you check out Hostinger if you want to take advantage of the 73% discount on the hosting plus the free domain. I'll leave a link to it and all the things I've mentioned in the comments section, also in the description of this video, so make sure you check them out. So guys, I hope you find value in all of this. If you do, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any question for me, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, thank you very much once again. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.